Reflections in the glass show a face they'll never know. A stitched up heart that beats too fast. Time to start the shadow show.
Okay, look at me. Did you see that clip? That wasn't a massive studio production. That was me, just talking to an AI. Meet Flova, and listen closely, because this is huge. It is the world's first all-in-one AI video agent. Here is the part that blows my mind. You are creating full cinematic short films just by chatting with it. It feels like absolute magic. But unlike other tools where you just hit a button and hope for the best, Flova acts like your personal Hollywood crew. It intelligently connects the world's most powerful models, like Sora, VO3, and Midjourney, into one seamless timeline. It breaks your idea down into a professional workflow. The story outline, visual planning, the storyboard, specific camera angles like wide or close-ups, and even the background music. The best part? You can actually step in at any stage and tweak things to get it perfect. So the final result looks exactly how you imagined it. So let's get started, and I'll show you everything step by step. So watch till the end.
So first of all, go to their official website. You will find the link in the description box below. You just need to sign up using your Google account. After signing up, you will see this beautiful and very simple interface here. And this is the homepage. If you go to the Explore section, you can see already generated clips, and you can get inspiration from these videos as well. You can see how cool these videos are that were generated using Flova. If you want to know how a specific video was created, you can also click on View Creation Process to check the entire process behind that video. This way, you can understand how Flova works step by step and get ideas for your own projects as well. Anyways, to get started, just go to the Project section and click on New Project. Once you click on it, you will see this interface. Now, this part is very simple and honestly very fun. You literally just chat and tell the AI what to do, and it does everything for you. Like, just chatting with AI, guys. Ain't that fun? Have you ever seen a tool where you simply chat with AI and it follows your instructions and handles the entire video creation for you? Probably not, right? So Flova has this AI assistant that does everything for you. Now, I already had a story, script, and idea in my mind, which I generated using Gemini. If you already have a full story concept, you can simply paste it here, just like I did. But if you only have a short idea, you can write that as well, and Flova will handle the rest of the work for you. In my case, I had a clear idea in mind, so I fully explained what kind of shots I want, what kind of characters I want, and the overall vibe. So I pasted everything here in the chat box. Now, you will see these model options as well. Here, you can choose which image model you want to use for the generation. They have options like Nano Banana Pro, Gemini 3 Pro, Seedream 4.5, Nano Banana Gemini 2.5, Midjourney, GPT, basically all the top models available in one place. For example, I will use Nano Banana Pro for images here. Then in the video section, you will again find top video models like VO 3.1 Fast, VO 3.1, Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, C-Dance, and many more. All the leading video models are available here. For this project, I will use VO 3.1. Then you can also select a model for music. Here, I will choose Suno. You can also choose a model for narration, like 11 Labs, which is honestly one of the best for voice generation. Then we have skills. Now, what are skills? Think of skills as your professional assistant director. Skills help you achieve cinematic results effortlessly. They execute predictable, high-quality, and professional-level tasks automatically. You can see two options here. The first one is Sora 2 Multi-Shot Playthrough, which allows the AI to generate video clips with smooth and natural camera transitions. It can generate multiple 8 to 12 seconds shot. The second one is Continuous Storyboard, which means the final frame of one clip automatically becomes the starting frame of the next clip, so the story flows smoothly without any visual breaks. In simple words, skills help your video look more cinematic, connected, and professionally edited without you doing manual work. You can select whichever option you want. If you click on any of these, Flova will also preview what these features do, so you clearly understand the result before using them. Anyways, now I will send this chat to the assistant, and you can see it has started creating the brief here. Okay, so now it has generated the entire idea. As you can see, it even includes details like duration, aspect ratio, language, target audience, and everything. It's literally doing everything for me, which is amazing. Now it's generating the storyboard. I'm really excited to see what it comes up with. So let's wait a little bit. Alright guys, as you can see, it has prepared a complete storyboard for me. It has generated key elements and divided everything into clear segments. First, it introduced the main character, which is the anime-style Wednesday, and described her in detail. Then it described the other characters like Dracula and so on. After that, it created different segments like the backstage dressing room, mirror reflection shots, audience shots, performance scenes, and much more. Honestly, I don't even have to read everything in detail because the AI has already structured everything for me. It also planned the narration and background music. Basically, the entire storyboard is ready. I only gave a simple idea, and it did the rest of the work for me. Now, as you can see, there are no visuals yet. So Flova is asking me what I want to do next. It has already suggested a strategy. First, it will create the core characters. Then it will generate the video segments, and then move forward step by step. Now I just need to tell it what to do. So let's ask it to create the core characters and send the command. And just like that, I sent a chat, and it has started following my instructions. That's really cool. You can see it has started generating the characters according to my instructions. So guys, here is the result. It has generated all 5 main characters. Let me show you. Here is the first character, the red anime Wednesday style character. Then the second one is Dracula, followed by the 3rd, 4th, and 5th characters. And honestly, all of them look really cool. Below, you can see the segments, but we haven't generated those yet. Right now, we only asked it to generate the main characters, and it has done that perfectly. Now let's ask it to generate all the segments. First, it's generating the music and audio. After that, it has started generating the rest of the shots. Alright guys, the result looks really amazing. Now, if you don't like any image, you can simply click on it, and you will see multiple options. You can reply to request changes, edit it, regenerate it, download it, or even delete it. So you have full control. In my case, I loved the results on the first go, so I didn't really need to make any changes. Now the first segment is done. Next, we move to the second segment, which is the audience scene. So I'll write in the chat to generate images for the remaining segments. You can see how crazy this is. You're literally just chatting and telling the AI what to do, and it's handling everything. This honestly feels next level. Now, guys, all the visuals are ready. All the images have been generated. Next, we will ask Flova to convert all these visuals and segments into a video and animate everything. So I'll give a video instruction, and it will start working on that. Now, as you can see, all the video clips are generated. And everything looks amazing. And again, if you're not satisfied with any clip, you can always regenerate it. You have full control at every stage. Next, I will ask it to design the narration and vocal tracks. And just like that, it's done. Now that everything is ready, I'll ask it to assemble a rough cut preview. Basically, this gives me a timeline-style preview of how the final video looks. Alright, so here is the preview.
Reflections in the glass show a face they'll never know. A stitched up heart that beats too fast. Time to start the shadow show. In this hall of dust and bone, on the stage I stand alone.
And honestly, I'm amazed by the result. With just simple chatting, it generated such a high-quality anime-style cinematic clip. This is insane. Now you can export your project as well. Flova supports Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro, which means you can easily import your project files into professional editing software without any complicated steps. You can export it as a PR file, or download all files and continue editing wherever you want. So this was everything. And if you watched the video till the end, you probably understand why this tool is so different from the others. Now, I have something special for you. If you click the link in the description below and sign up using my link, you will receive 1,000 free credits as a gift. This offer is limited to the first 500 users, so don't miss out. On top of that, you can also claim 500 credits every week as long as you log in. So don't forget to check it out, and let me know in the comments if you liked it or not.